Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan CV. This four-door van has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 101,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.